Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about some of the many ways that I earn money online. I'm going to have a real emphasis on the money that I have earned this month, the month of November 2019, because I feel like I've just hit a lot of milestones in November. First of all, it's my 3-year wedding anniversary, but that doesn't matter a whole lot. It is the 2-year anniversary of actually earning money online, and it is the 1-year anniversary of earning money through Etsy, which is like a big source of my income. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Number 1, YouTube. For YouTube, for the month of November, I was paid $1,242. Now keep in mind that this was actually money that I earned in October, but YouTube pays a month out. So I was paid this money in November, and my first ever YouTube check I got in November of 2017. So the YouTube income fluctuates a whole lot. Last month I was paid way more than what I was paid this month. Next month I'm going to be paid way more than what I was paid this month. It varies a whole lot. Thankfully, my husband and I both have full-time jobs, and we know pretty much just how much we're gonna bring in every payday, so that keeps me very level-headed, but it does fluctuate a whole lot. So just keep in mind that if you are going to try to explore, you know, YouTube as an income source, understand that it might be a little slow in the beginning, but then also understand that it's probably gonna fluctuate a whole lot, and this depends on a whole bunch of things. It depends on how many people are watching, so how many viewers. It depends on if viewers are clicking ads, if they're skipping ads, if they're watching ads. It depends on your different, I think it's called a CPM. Don't get me lying, because I'm not really like an analytic junkie. It depends on a lot of things, and just understand and know that it could just fluctuate all the time. Number 2, ShareASale. I have been earning money through ShareASale for probably over a year now. Here's the thing about ShareASale. How ShareASale works is like this. So I use a bunch of Erin Condren products. Erin Condren is a major stationery company. So what happens is, instead of creating a link through the Erin Condren product, like going to erincondren.com and searching for a product that I use and linking it, I will go to ShareASale, because ShareASale and Erin Condren are partnered together. I will create a link for that specific Erin Condren product, and then I will share that link instead, because it has my ShareASale tag within that link, so therefore I earn a commission, because again, Erin Condren has partnered with ShareASale, so that if we as influencers, or whatever you want to call us, if we share anything through the ShareASale link that is Erin Condren related, then we can earn a commission. And so that's kind of how ShareASale works. Now keep in mind that the only way that I personally currently am benefiting from ShareASale is through the Erin Condren company, because I don't link a bunch of things. However, you can search the ShareASale platform for many other companies and just see who all is partnered with them. Again, that is an affiliate marketing program. It's splendid. I earn money from it every single month. It fluctuates a whole lot. Depends on the holidays, or how many people are using the links, or if there's a major sale where people want to use my links. That is just, to me, just kind of like mind-blowing, because my viewers and the people who follow me and support me and stuff, they don't actually benefit from using that link. Only I benefit from that. I earn a commission off of that. So it means a lot whenever my supporters do use my Erin Condren or my ShareASale links. So for ShareASale for the month of November, I was paid $54.30. That is from money that was earned in October. That fluctuates a whole lot, like I was mentioning earlier, but it's pretty consistent in that I receive it on the reg. Number 3, Amazon. So Amazon is technically basically just like ShareASale. It's another affiliate marketing. They have a program. So we all know Amazon. Amazon is Amazon, but they have an affiliate marketing program, and I am an Amazon affiliate. So the cool thing about Amazon is, let's say there is a ruler that I really love, and I link it down in the description box, and you guys click on that link. Although that link is probably going to take you to the ruler, no matter if you buy that ruler or if you buy anything through clicking on that link, because I took you, technically I get the credit for taking you to Amazon. No matter what it is that you buy, You could buy $300 worth of things. It could be rulers or not rulers. No matter what it is, I actually earn a commission off of that. And I think that that is the coolest thing ever, especially with a company such as Amazon, because it's pretty popular. People buy things from there all the time. I'm a Prime member. I love it. So I'm purchasing hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars through Amazon. So it's a really cool thing. So I always recommend, before you make an Amazon purchase, just go to like one of your favorite YouTubers, you know, description boxes or whatever, and click on their link and then make the purchase so that they can make a commission. So I really love Amazon. Now, Amazon fluctuates a whole bunch too. In November, I was paid almost $86 from Amazon. And that, like I said, it fluctuates a whole bunch depending on the time of the year and so on and so forth. And Amazon actually pays 2 months out. So I was paid for money that I earned 2 months ago. So back in September. This was the $85 was money that I earned in September. Next is Etsy. I have been earning money online from Etsy for literally 1 full year. So Etsy is super cool. I actually sell a product on there, which my link is going to be down in the description box if you want to just be nosy and see what I'm selling if you don't know already. But I sell stationery products, and that's pretty much it actually. I don't sell anything else on there. However, I actually could, because it's my Etsy store. So I could sell whatever, and that's just a way that I earn money online. So if you make something, or, you know, let's say you're an artist or something like that, or maybe you want to create stationery products or purchase, you know, stationery products from China in bulk and sell them on Etsy, then you can do that as well. So it is hands down the hardest money that I earn every month, because I actually have to work for it. Etsy income is not passive, even in the least bit, and it is pretty time consuming, but I absolutely love it and enjoy it. I love creating products and selling them and just seeing people use them. That brings me a lot of joy and excitement. So if you want to sell something, maybe consider an Etsy store. Now for Etsy, for the month of November, I was paid almost $2,200. Now this is money that was paid to me, not exactly money that I earned. I have actually earned a whole lot more, but I have my payday set up for Monday. You can actually withdraw your money every single day if you want to, but I have my payday set up for Monday. So on Monday, which is going to be like December the 2nd or something like that, I will get the rest of my earnings from October, if that makes any sense. But that was money that I was paid in November. Next up is Chime. Chime is a mobile bank that I use, and my husband also uses it, and we absolutely love it. I have been a Chime affiliate for about 1.5 years, so I have been earning money from Chime for about 1.5 years. Now this income fluctuates as well, but it's rare that it's under $100. For the month of November, I was actually paid $170, and that is through users clicking on my link, my referral link, which is always in the description box, and signing up for Chime. Now my supporters don't benefit from that either. You guys don't get anything if you use the referral link, but I actually make a commission. So next is Erin Condren. So we talked about Erin Condren before, but we talked about the company's affiliation with the ShareASale program, but Erin Condren actually has a referral program of their own. I earn money each and every month using or from the referral program, and I have for, I don't know, since the beginning of time, probably for almost 2 years now, perhaps, probably, yeah, maybe like 1.5 years, almost 2 years, and it is magnificent. So most of the months I'm earning hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but this money actually is not cash money. It actually comes to me in the form of an Erin Condren shop credit. So I go to a lot of stationery events. I'm very active in the stationery community because I have a stationery company, you know, so it just kind of makes sense for me to be active in the stationery community. Oftentimes different companies and event managers and event planners will ask me if I want to donate or sponsor a giveaway prize or whatever the case is. And what I can do, because Erin Condren is a major stationery company that most people want to try in their lifetime, is I can send a gift card with my referral credit, or I can buy a planner and send it to them with my referral credit. I can buy things using my referral credit. It also helps to fund my own personal stationery habit, and also my friends and family members and coworkers. I pretty much use those credits to get planners for pretty much everybody, which is probably helpful because, you know, one day that's probably going to end, but I feel like that is really helpful and a really good use of money, because I have provided I don't know how many people with products, and they're probably shopping the Erin Condren website as we speak, looking for their next planner or some other product that they can use with the product that they may have won for me, or that I bought for them or gave to them. So for the month of November, I was actually paid $300 from Erin Condren. Next up, we have Affiliately. That has been pretty consistent, even though it's a very small amount. It has been pretty consistent, and I kind of am choosing for it to be a small amount. So I am an affiliate for a couple of different companies, and one of the companies in particular has their products on Amazon. So I feel that it behooves me to share my Amazon link to that product so that people may go through there and purchase the product or other products, and I'll earn a commission off of maybe a larger purchase, rather than to link using my Affiliately link and kind of limit myself on coins, if that makes any sense. So while I have the potential to earn much more through Affiliately, it really isn't a whole lot each and every month. And for the month of November, it was actually only $2. Again, a very low amount, but that's because I feel that I am choosing that route. So in total, for the month of November, if you add up everything that I just spit at you, which is money that I technically earned online or using my online capacity in some kind of way, we get a grand total of $4,036.68. So I would like to think that that is not bad at all. I am continuing to earn more and more and grow each and every year. Like I mentioned before, there are many other ways that I earn money online, but those are pretty much the most consistent ways. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. I will link in a card my latest videos regarding how much money I make on YouTube and how much money I make on Etsy, and I will also put a playlist up here somewhere regarding my monthly income report, so you guys can check out those and see how much money I'm earning online from all of the other different sources each and every month. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.